Welcome student. This is Professor Vechan Singh Sulia teaching you this human resource management, and this is module number 5. In this module we'll discuss HRM for corporate excellence, human resource management for corporate excellence. So we'll discuss the concept not in deep. We will discuss the concept in simple way. So human resource for corporate excellence, it is one concept. So human resource for corporate excellence, it is what? Corporate excellence, the quality of being outstanding. The quality of being outstanding or extremely good, something better, something more than better, best. It is excellence, and if it is available at corporate level, then it is a extra benefit organization have. So corporate excellence, its own beauty at organization. So corporate excellence, it is a combination of all these components, and it is outcome of great effort. So competence must be best, communication must be best, ideas should be best, innovation should be best, motivation, or we can say inspiration, should be the best, vision should be the best, and passion should be the best. Okay. So this all 7 different component of this corporate excellence, which is major component, we'll discuss one by one. Competence, it is what? One word is there, competency. One word is there, competitive. Okay, something similar, synonymous. Okay, competence. So competence, it means it is a skills. That skill may be hard skill or a soft skill, but skill which is proper, skill which is more than better. That skill may be hard skill or soft skill, but it is more than better. More than better means it is competence. It is competence. Okay. So competence, it is potential. One have, employee have potential. It is a potential, or it is a skill, or special skill employee have. Okay. It is also called ability, or ability to fight with the situation, or ability to fight with condition and problem, and ability to fight with real life problems. If ability employee have, then employee is competent in nature. Employee is competent in nature. And if employee is competent, then okay, your organization or any organization can do better, because employee is competent in the organization. So this competence is directly contributing in corporate excellence. So employee must have competence at organization level. Employee having inner abilities, that inner abilities employee must use at workplace for the betterment of their own work, for the betterment of organization growth. It will work better competence, and that competence directly contribute in corporate excellence. Competence. See, one circle is inside, one circle is surrounding that inside circle, and then third circle is surrounding that two circle. This circle is what? Read out what actually you can do. What actually you can do. आप कितना कर सकते हैं? ये जो ग्रीन सर्कल बता रहा है ना, इतना आप कर सकते हैं एक्चुअली. कितना? इतना. लेकिन आप सोच सकते हैं कितना? इतना. व्हाट आई थिंक आई कैन डू. और लोग सोचते हैं कि तुम कितना कर पाओगे? इतना. ओके, मतलब आपकी सोच बहुत छोटी है और आपके बारे में लोगों की सोच बहुत बड़ी है. पीपल आर थिंकिंग बिगर फॉर यू. पीपल आर थिंकिंग, एक्सपेक्टिंग very bigger from you, and you are thinking what actually you can do is less. So you have to increase your horizon. You have to increase your horizon, because your thinking is very narrow. Okay, so you must increase your horizon as equal to what organization is thinking. You must increase this horizon. Okay, so it is equivalent to expectation from people, from your co-workers. Okay, so if competence will equal to the expectation, then you can do better. People will satisfied on your work. Okay, competence. See this competence, what people think you can do. लोग सोचते हैं आपके बारे में कितना? इतना. आप करते हो कितना? इतना. मतलब आप लोगों के सोच से बहुत ज्यादा करते हो. What people are thinking, you are doing better than that. It is very good. It is very good for your growth and for organization growth. Okay. So this competence is directly increase the excellence of the corporate. First component of this corporate excellence. Then second component, communication. You read out communication most of the time. Communication, it is what? It is sharing about the idea. Okay, this example is different. Sharing physical thing. Physical thing is what? 5 rupee coin. Okay, you can share 5 rupee coin like this. It is not possible. 5 rupees you can share 5. Can you share? शेयर आप करेंगे तो 2.5 रुपया आएगा. ओके, 2 रुपीज 50 पैसा, 2 रुपीज 50 पैसा. ओके, आजकल तो 50 पैसा भी चलता नहीं है. ओके, चलता रहने की बात नहीं है. ओके, मुझे बोलना है शेयरिंग. शेयरिंग इज पॉसिबल इन फिजिकल थिंग. Sharing is possible in physical thing, but really sharing is what? It is a distribution. Okay, it is not sharing, but communication, it is the sharing information. फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन। इस पर्सन के पास में इंफॉर्मेशन है 100%। इस पर्सन ने इस पर्सन को इंफॉर्मेशन दिया, ओके, दिया पूरा, लेकिन इसने ग्राफ्स कितना किया? 80%। मीन्स व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू about this corporate excellence, concept of corporate excellence through this video module, and what you are getting in your mind। क्या मैंने आपको 100% जो दिया उसमें से आपने 100% लिया? अगर लिया है तो यहां पे 100% आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं आएगा। Okay, so communication, it is what? Sharing information from sender to receiver। आपको MSD में पढ़ाया है, okay, you already know sharing information। तो इसमें क्या आ गया? गैप आ गया। कितना गैप है? 20% का गैप है। इट मीन्स गैप इज देयर। ओके, सेंडर ने तो सेंड कर दिया लेकिन रिसीवर ने ठीक से लिया नहीं। अभी यहां पे देखिए, see this sender 100% sent, okay, and then information received by receiver is 70%, then gap is 30%. See this, information 100%, then receiver received 6%, gap is 40%. It means gap is increasing. If gap is increasing in communication between employee, gap is increasing between communication between employee and manager and apex manager, managing director, this gap if increasing, then corporate excellence will decrease. Okay, so communication must be proper, so receiver can get more information. Receiver can grasp 90% information through your communication. Then I can say your communication is good. Okay, otherwise not. Getting? Okay, this is about communication. So communication is directly contributing to corporate excellence. If communication is better, then your corporate excellence will better. If communication is not better, your corporate excellence will not better at all. Okay, so understand this. Then this one, idea directly contribute to corporate excellence. Directly contribute. Idea generation directly contribute. So organization must have idea generator. Okay, it is not physical machine, idea generator. Idea generator is whose one? Employee can be act as a idea generator. Otherwise computer can store only. Okay, computer can store. So idea must be generated with the help of employee. Employee should generate idea for their own organization. So more excellence is where their idea generator is in more number. Okay, idea generator can be a game changer for your organization because they are generating idea for your organization, and any one idea, best idea, can grow your organization like anything. Okay, so a idea generator is act as a game changer, or idea generator is act as a change agent. Okay. So idea can lead for your organization towards new innovation. Innovation, a new idea, creating through new imagination in the form of device or method. एक तो नया डिवाइस खोज के निकालना या नई मेथड खोज के निकालना, इसी को बोला जाता है इनोवेशन. इनोवेशन इज फाइंडिंग समथिंग न्यू, आइडिया और डिवाइस. So innovation is what? It is the application for better solution. Innovation is doing always this, always everything towards betterment. Innovation is doing what? Everything towards betterment. सब बातें बेटरमेंट के तरफ जाएंगी जब इनोवेशन होगा तब. ओके, सो डायरेक्टली इफेक्ट ऑन कॉस्टिंग. Costing will decrease due to new innovation. Researches are going on for decreasing costing, and researches are going on for new innovation because it directly decrease the cost. And less pricing. If cost will decrease, then pricing will also decrease. खर्चा कम होगा तो कीमतें भी कम होगी. खर्चा ज्यादा होगा तो कीमत भी ज्यादा होंगी. ओके, तो लोग सस्ती चीजों के तरफ देखते हैं, सस्ती चीज खरीदते हैं. ये कंज्यूमर का बिहेवियर है. तो कंज्यूमर का बिहेवियर अगर सस्ती चीजें खरीदना का है तो सस्ती चीजें बनाते भी आना चाहिए. सस्ती चीजें बनाएंगे कैसे? तो खर्चा कम करेंगे तो बनाएंगे. खर्चा कम कैसे करेंगे? तो कुछ इनोवेटिव आइडिया लाएंगे तो खर्चा कम होगा. ओके, तो इनोवेशन इज द वन कंपोनेंट ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट एक्सीलेंस, एंड इनोवेशन इज डूइंग easy for life. Everything easy for life, it is possible through this innovation. For example, mobile. You are using mobile, and mobile is friendly, very friendly. Okay, small kids can also use mobile. You know well, small kids also use the mobile, and other. So now mobile is very friendly. Then TV is also innovative. Computer, it is the boss of the world. Computer, now it is the boss of the world. Okay, everything now through computer. Video lecture is going on through computer. Okay, data management is going on through computer. Data analysis going through computer. Okay, almost more than 50% work, going on through computer. I can say more than 80% also in some countries. Okay, so computer is innovation. Online learning and teaching is going through computer. Innovation. And internet is the best medium for this all connection between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, connection between 1 and 1000. Connect the whole world through this internet web. Okay, so more innovation, more excellence. So corporate excellence contribute its own beauty. So corporate excellence will better and better through only innovation and other component. We'll discuss in next lecture about the next topic. Sorry, not next topic. We'll continue the same topic, more corporate excellence, HRM for corporate excellence. This is part A. Then we'll discuss next part in part B. So student, thank you very much. With this, we will stop here. And if you like this video, then please like, share, and then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for better video, and please comment so I can do better for you. Thank you very much.